Hi guys, this is a test video of the microphone and shit. So yeah, my scooter. I've got a flat tire at the moment. If you, sorry, throat's killing me. If you've seen this here, I've got a nail in it, so I need to get all that stuff fixed. Other than that, it's working fine. The petrol gauge go up. It takes a while to start sometimes if I leave it for like about a couple of days. Yeah. See? Starts fine. Indicators. Fine. Brake light. You know, looks fine. Yeah, there you go. There's nothing much to tell really. It's a little flat. It's still drivable, but though it's just a little bit slushy when you. So I can just drive it around the road. Drive it down the road to get it done. So yeah, this is why this vlog hasn't been coming out or anything because I've literally just today. I haven't got it in here. I've literally just today got the part to plug the microphone that I'm talking into my helmet because it wasn't the right audio jack. So yeah, I've only just got it today. With the setup I'm using now, it's foggy in here. So yeah, with the setup I'm using now, they might be quite loud and you might be hearing like me breathing and stuff, but I can just change it around a little bit. But you'll hear me especially today because I've got a really sore throat. If you can't hear me, if you can't tell. But yeah, I don't really care about you seeing my plate and that. I can't be bothered trying to hide it every 5 bloody seconds. So yeah, my scooter, it's a Galera Stalker 50. It's good. It hasn't I haven't got the normal road tires and that, but yeah, it's nice. I like it. I'm gonna put some petrol in it now, actually. Oh, you can watch me do that. It's empty because I'm gonna take it down the shop and they'll have to ordering stuff. That's why it's empty. So yeah, I'm a bit asthma today. We went out on a college course and we were biking and I pushed myself a little bit too far. My butt kills because the seat was fucking horrible, but yeah. Petrol. It's not quite full, so I like keeping this tube on. So yeah. There's quite a lot in there actually. I can go there for a sec. I haven't got anything to wipe it with. I haven't got anything in here. Seriously. I'll do. So it's just starting to hit my head a little bit now. My neck even quite sore today. Check my oil. Alright, we're there. Oh, this is not much then. It's like empty. It's plenty enough. Smells nice. Right then. See, when I ride, I take this off so it doesn't dangle around and that. Should never really get on from the right because, well, actually it depends. Therefore. Well then, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Yeah, subscribe, like stuff. Hope you enjoy this channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure it'll be quite frequent uploads after I fix this bad boy. Sort of works. Oh well. Anyway, so there you go. Cool. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Ignore that. It's a work in progress, okay? It's not messy, I just haven't gone around it and shit, you know. It's just a practice. Probably just paint over it anyway. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. The vlog's coming out soon as I get my bad boy fixed up. Oh yeah. My jacket. Yeah. I'm getting some leathers soon. Well, not leathers, but you know what I mean when I say leathers. You know, there's riding jackets. Otherwise I'm having to wear this lovely jacket. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.